Hi folks, I'm John Mullen, the Energy Evangelist. We're looking at savings on your HVAC resources. That's your heating, ventilation, and aircon. So where do we start? It has to be maintenance and keeping your gear clean. I've been refurbishing houses for a number of years, and I've found many elements in those houses which have never been maintained. If you don't maintain the system, it will eventually fail. We all need, me included, to remember that every system needs maintenance. People buying new systems, everything from a car to a coffee machine, and after a period of time, you need to clear out the dust, dirt, and gunk. Imagine if you never cleaned out the coffee machine and you used it every day, or you only cleaned it a bit. It would end up in a big mess very quickly. This applies to your HVAC system. If you look after it, it will provide you with more heat for less running and maintenance costs. So every year, book in an engineer and deep clean or tune up your systems. If you use air conditioning and heating more, then more air and dust are pulled through your system. This means that you will need to replace your filters on a regular basis, in addition to engineering maintenance, or clean them if they're reusable. If your temperatures are extreme, then you may need to do this more frequently again. But filters are cheap, and dirty filters increase your costs, overload your systems, and the results are lower indoor air quality and higher running costs. In business terms, this maintenance means that you are looking after your employees, so the result is they will be able to complete more work. So, everybody wins. I'm John Mullen, the Energy Evangelist. Come and find out how to save more energy and more cash at energyevangelist.co.uk. Thank you.